Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So if you're using the Copilot app on Windows 10 and Windows 11, just to let you know that you can now look up files from your local storage or files synced to your local storage from your OneDrive using the Copilot app. Now currently at this stage, it looks like it can only support Microsoft's native apps. So it can locate files like docx, XLSX, PPT, TXT, PDF, and so on. And it also looks like it can only access folders like your documents and downloads. So it seems to be a little bit limited at this stage. But just to show you an example, so if I ask it to find my last opened PDF, and we just ask it to respond, there we go. So there's my last opened 5 PDF documents from my system. And you can view all your PDF documents if you click on that link. And obviously, you can click on the file and that will open the file, or you can add it to a conversation and ask follow-up questions regarding that particular file, which I actually think is a nice move. But if I have a look at my history, while I was testing this out before posting, I asked it to find my last played song. It said it can't access your music playback history. So obviously, as mentioned, can only find files in your documents and downloads at this stage. And here's another example. I asked it to find a system file in the Windows folder. And it's the same thing. Couldn't find the file I was looking for. So downloads and documents at this stage seem to be supported, which could change in the future. And at this stage, it looks like it's using the Windows indexing service, which is what Windows Search does. So it's basically tapping into the indexing service and also using Explorer's queries to show the top matches. As an example, in my case, my last opened 5 PDF files. And if we head into our settings, here you'll see file search. Allow Copilot access to local files to be able to retrieve files for you. And the good news is if you don't want to have this feature turned on, you can just toggle that off. And file read, allow Copilot to read the files on your PC to help answer your questions. So that's also a little feature to ask follow-up questions as an example. So if you don't want to use this feature, you can just toggle it off, either or, to your own personal choice. But just making you guys aware of that in case you were unaware that Copilot can now search those local files on your Windows 10 and your Windows 11 PC. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.